Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your username on the TikTok application. This is actually quite straightforward once you know how to do it, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so the first thing we need to do is load up the TikTok application. This will work on either an Android device or an iPhone device, which is what I am using here. So it doesn't matter which device you're using, as long as you've got the TikTok application, you'll be fine to do this. So once we have TikTok open, we want to navigate to our profile. That's the bottom right-hand corner where it says profile. You've got the little icon, give that a click. It's going to load up your profile area. This is where you have all of your videos, your private videos, your shares, your saves, your likes, all that kind of stuff. And you'll have your profile picture right at the very top. Now here, right next to your name, you'll have the word edit. It's like a little button that you can click. If you click on that, it's going to load up this section right here. This is where you can change your profile picture, your name, your display name, your username, and all that kind of information about your bio and that stuff, right? Now, there are some nuances here, right? Your actual name can change every 7 days, and that's not a problem. It's not a unique name at all. The username, though, can only be changed every 30 days, and it has to be unique. Okay, so if I click on my username right here, you can see here that you can change your username once every 30 days. Changing your username will also change your profile link. Usernames can contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. Now, in my particular case, it's that office or that period office period guy, right? And that's because that office guy as one name was taken, right? So if I go ahead and just take this out, for example, and I type in that office guy as one word, you can see here that it's not available, right? So that is why I had that .office.guy, right? So what you need to do is you need to make sure that it's a unique name. So if I put vid at the end, this should come up as available like so. So make sure that your username is completely original, which obviously I don't need to do per se because I actually quite like mine as it is. I'm just going to come out. So once you have it like what you want, so you put it in, you've got the green tick to say that it is available, you can go ahead and hit that save button at the top there. Update the username. Obviously, I'm not going to do this because it can only be done once every 30 days. But if you're happy with it, you'd go ahead and click on confirm, and that will set and update your new username. Mine's actually not making any change whatsoever, so I don't need to do that. But once it's done, that will set your username. It will now be appearing right inside your profile as the new name that you have selected. And of course, you can change your real name, your display name, to match up with that new username if you want. But ultimately, once you know how to do it, it's quite easy to update your username. And that's it, guys. Hopefully this has worked for you. If not, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.